Hello dear all, today we'll make the drawing in the part drawing, and we'll make this drawing and convert this in the isometric projection. First of all, we'll start this drawing from the front view is in the orthographic projection, and after that we'll convert this front view orthographic projection is in the isometric projection, and after that we'll save this is in the three plane: front plane, side plane and top plane. And this orthographic projection is right now is first angle projection. So now we'll start this. Let's see is in the part drawing. So how to make this drawing? First of all, we'll select the start to from the front plane and select the front plane, then select the sketch. First of all, we'll draw the rough sketch without any dimension. After that we'll give the dimension when you complete the sketch. Now give the dimension, and the given dimension as per drawing is 100 mm by 80 mm, the dimension of front view. So give the dimension 100 mm is this, and this dimension is 80 mm, and this one is 50 mm. This dimension is 40 mm. This one is 50. Now make the square, and the dimension of the square is 25 mm. This one is 25, and the distance from this point to this point is 20 mm. Then okay. Now convert this orthographic projection is in the isometric projection. This one is your front view, and convert this front view is in the isometric projection. Select features and click on the extrude boss and give the extrude dimension. The extruder dimension is 60 mm. Now type 60, then extrude this. Now we'll start to make the hole on this surface from this point to back surface. So how to make the circle? Select this face and select the sketch and draw the circle. And the dimension of the circle is 30 mm is the diameter, and give the dimension from this point to this point is 30 mm. This is 20 mm. Then okay, and select features and select the extrude cut command and drag this, then extrude cut this. This one is hole is from this face to this face, hole is complete. Now your isometric projection is complete. From the part drawing is the start from the front view, and we'll save this isometric projection is in the front view, side view and top view. So how to save this file? Make the drawing from part, select here and save and insert this file. Save this file, then this one is your front view, this one is side view, and this one is top view. as a first angle projection. So this one is our isometric view. Then okay. Now first of all give the dimension. Now select this and select the smart dimension, and there is two types of the option is here. First of all, if you want to give the manually dimension, you just click here and give the dimension like this, and if you want to give the auto dimension, again select the dimension, select the object, select dimension, then auto dimension, and your auto dimension will be here like this. So this one is our auto dimensions option. Now select the front plane, type the front plane, side, and top plane. Now we'll show the hidden line on this object. So how to show the hidden line? First of all, select this object and select the display style, and select the display style here, hidden lines, then okay. Now your all hidden object is show it on the orthographic projection. So this one is your whole hidden lines, and your whole is from right view, side view, and your whole is from this face to this face, and this one is your hidden lines of this your whole, and this one is your for this square, and it will be in the right view, and from the top side this one is your hidden lines of the hidden object. So this one our is this drawing as per this drawing, and we'll start to make this drawing right now. So let's see how to make this drawing. Again we'll select the part and we'll start to make this drawing from the right plane. So how to make this drawing from the right plane? Let's see. First of all, select the right plane, then start to make the rough sketch. After that we'll do the dimension and smart dimension. The dimension is 90 by 90 mm. So this one is 90 mm, and this one is same as our 90 mm, and the thickness is 10 mm as per drawing. So this one is same as our 10 mm. Now select features, then extrude this, and the extruder dimension is from this point to this point is 100 mm, and we will make this face after the completion of this 1 2 3 4 face. So first of all we will extrude this dimension from this point to this point. So the extruder dimension is 100 mm. Type the 100 mm like this. Now again select this face for draw the sketch arc, this arc. So select the arc, 3-point arc, and then when you make the arc 3-point arc, and you just scroll this arc, and your this center point is automatically detect in this command, then select the line and cover all this point. Now ensure when you make the arc and you extrude this arc from this point to this point, so ensure that your all this point will be covered. If your all this point is not covered, your this object will not extrude. So ensure that now this all this points will be covered. Now it will be extrude, otherwise it will not extrude. Now select these features, then select extrude base and extrude this from this point to this point, and the extruder dimension is 20 mm. Then OK. Now our first face is complete. This arc, now we'll make this object. So how to make this object? Again we will select the plane where we want to make the sketch from this face. Now draw this line from this point to this point, and this point to this point like this, and cover this for extrude, otherwise it will not extrude. Now give the dimension of this. This one is 40 mm and this one is same is 40 mm. Then OK. Now select features, then extrude this, and the extruder dimension is 20 mm. Now type the 20 here, then OK. Now our second face is complete. Now we'll start to make this arc again. How to make this arc? Again we will select this face and make the arc here, 3-point arc like this. Again we'll make the arc from this point to this point. Arc. This one is our arc. Then OK. Now close all the point, extruder point like this one. Then select features, then extrude this, and the extruder dimension is 40 mm. From this point to this point is 40 mm. Then type 40, then OK. Now third face is complete. Now we will start to make this face. How to make this? Again we will select this face, make this sketch. So this one is our 30 mm as per drawing dimension. This one is 50 mm as per drawing dimension. This one is same as our 50 mm, and draw the line and match this point and cover this all this surface for extrude. Again select this and extrude this, and the extruder dimension is 20 mm. Then OK. Our fourth face is complete. 1 2 3 4. This one face is complete. Now we will start to make this plate. How to make this? Let's see. Again select this face, select the sketch and select this and draw the rectangle here and give the dimension of the rectangle as per drawing is 90 plus 20, and here will be same as here 90 plus 20, so 1110. So this one is 1110, 110 and 110. Then OK. select this point and consider this point. Now 110, this all this dimension is complete. Now we'll make the fillet. This radius is called fillet and the radius is this 30 mm, and we'll make this circle. The diameter of the circle is 30 mm because the radius is 15 mm and the distance is 45 from this side and 45 this side. And we'll draw to make the, first of all, fillet. Select the fillet and select this line and this line and give the dimension 30, then OK, and we'll start to make the circle here, and the dimension of the circle is 30 mm, and the distance from this point to this point is 45 mm, and from the distance from this point to this point is 45 mm. Then OK. Now all this dimension is complete of this surface, and we'll select the features, then extrude the dimension, and the extruded dimension is 20 mm as per drawing. Then OK. Now this one is our drawing is complete right now. Now we'll save this file is in the orthographic projection as a front view, side view and top view with first angle projection. Now again select this and save this file, save, then now this one is our front view, this one is top view, and this one is side view. This one is orthographic projection of this, isometric projection of this. We'll adjust this in the under the sheet. So first of all, we'll see the hidden lines. Select this object and select the display style hidden. Now here all this hidden line is show it here. Again, now we'll give the dimension of this, smart dimension, then auto dimension, then OK. Here all this dimension will be show it like this. Now select and select, this one is our front view, front view, top view, and this one is side view. So now this one is orthographic projection and isometric projection will make it in the SolidWorks design. Thank you very much.